Hey guys, for today's video, you'll learn how to easily see private Twitter accounts. This tutorial is very simple, so watch until the end to understand fully. You'll first want to open up Twitter. This will take you to your homepage. Now, click on the search icon and search the account you want to see. There are two ways of seeing the privated tweets. The first one is to simply just follow back if they're already following you. This will allow you to see their privated tweets and profile. The second one is to follow them and wait for their response. It can either be them accepting you into their account or you getting denied by them. If you get denied, you won't be able to see the privated account. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.